For today's QM Quick Bite, I am giving a shout out to QM member Idaho Digital Learning Alliance, who, like so many of our QM members, have been working tirelessly to provide resources to teachers like you who are just new to this whole emergency remote instructional situation. So today I actually wanted to highlight one of the resources that they have on their website here, and you can find the link down below. And it is a webinar entitled The Day in the Life of a Remote Teacher. And I really like this webinar. It's presented by Erin McCracken, who is actually a QM K-12 course reviewer, and Angie Hunter and Alicia Larson. And in this webinar, they share their tips for connecting with teachers and parents, how to design a lesson in this new situation, organizing tasks, and helping your students to build accountability. They really do a great job in relieving that overwhelm that so many of us are feeling right now, and showing how this looks in practice, and actually weaving in their experiences in doing this as both a parent and a teacher. If you click on this link here, you'll be able to click on the resources that they share within the webinar, but definitely worth your time. Remember, you can do this, and you do it the best you can.